Welcome to this technical guide on the Xiaomi SV17. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Xiaomi SV17 is making a weird noise, it could be due to a malfunctioning motor, often caused by wear and tear over time. Ignoring this issue may lead to further damage, resulting in a more costly repair or even complete device failure. To get started, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement motor specifically designed for the Xiaomi SV17. First, ensure your device is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing of the Xiaomi SV17, starting at the seam and working your way around. Be gentle to avoid cracking the plastic. Once opened, locate the motor, which is typically situated near the base of the unit. You will notice some screws securing the motor in place. These are usually Phillips screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws while keeping them in a safe place. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect any cables attached to the motor. It's important to take your time here to avoid damaging the connectors. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, gently pull the motor out of its housing. Take your new motor and carefully insert it into the same position, ensuring that it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are securely attached. Once everything is connected, replace the screws you previously removed and tighten them gently, not too tight, as this might damage the casing. Now, it's time to close the device. Align the casing properly, and press down firmly along the seams until you hear a click, indicating that it's securely closed. To check if the repair was successful, turn your device back on and listen for any unusual noises. If it sounds normal, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motor. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, make sure to regularly clean your Xiaomi SV17 and avoid using it in excessively dusty environments. Regular maintenance can greatly extend the life of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.